You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from French. This is the name given to the high-speed rail or high-speed trains in France, better known as TGV. TGV is how the French people say it. Train, which is how you say train in French. Train à grande vitesse. Vitesse is speed, so grande vitesse is high speed, grand speed. Train à grande vitesse. Train à grande vitesse. Train à grande vitesse. Train à grande vitesse. Train à grande vitesse, you could say. Train à grande vitesse, or TGV, or TGV. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.